Physical appearance plays a significant role in attraction and dating. While everyone has unique preferences, certain physical features are generally perceived as unattractive by many people. In this article, we'll explore some of these common unattractive physical features on men and discuss strategies to address or mitigate them. By understanding how to enhance your appearance, you can boost your confidence and attractiveness to potential romantic partners. 1. Poor grooming habits. Untidy hair, unkempt facial hair, and neglected grooming can detract from a man's overall appearance. Regular grooming practices, such as trimming hair, maintaining facial hair, and keeping nails clean and tidy, can significantly improve your attractiveness. 2. Bad body odor. Body odor can be a major turnoff for both men and women. Poor hygiene, sweating excessively, or using strong-smelling products can contribute to unpleasant body odor. Maintaining good personal hygiene, using deodorant, and wearing clean clothes can help combat body odor and leave a positive impression. 3. Excessive body hair. While some body hair is natural and normal, excessive hairiness can be perceived as unattractive by some people. Manscaping or grooming body hair can help create a cleaner and more polished appearance. Consider trimming or removing excessive hair on areas such as the chest, back, and groin to enhance your overall look. 4. Lack of fitness. Being physically fit and healthy is often associated with attractiveness. Excess weight, lack of muscle tone, or poor posture can detract from a man's physical appeal. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and maintaining good posture can help improve your fitness level and overall appearance. 5. Poor skin care. Skin issues such as acne, dryness, or excessive oiliness can negatively impact a man's appearance. Establishing a skincare routine tailored to your skin type can help address these issues and improve the clarity and texture of your skin. Regular cleansing, moisturizing, and using products targeted for specific skin concerns can help you achieve healthier-looking skin. 6. Bad breath. Like body odor, bad breath can be a major turnoff during social interactions. Poor oral hygiene, smoking, or certain foods can contribute to halitosis. Practicing good oral hygiene, including brushing and flossing regularly, using mouthwash, and avoiding foods that cause bad breath can help keep your breath fresh and pleasant. 7. Visible tattoos or piercings. While tattoos and piercings are a personal choice, visible tattoos or excessive piercings may not be universally appealing to everyone. Consider the placement and visibility of tattoos and piercings, and opt for more subtle or easily concealable options if you're concerned about their impact on your attractiveness. 8. Poor fashion choices. Ill-fitting clothes, outdated styles, or mismatched outfits can detract from your overall appearance. Investing in a well-fitted wardrobe, choosing clothes that flatter your body type, and staying updated on current fashion trends can help you dress more stylishly and enhance your attractiveness. 9. Lack of confidence. Confidence is an attractive trait that can significantly impact how others perceive you. Insecurity, self-doubt, or lack of assertiveness can undermine your attractiveness. Building self-confidence through self-improvement, positive self-talk, and stepping out of your comfort zone can help you exude confidence and charm. 10. Poor posture. Slouching or poor posture can make you appear less confident and less attractive. Practicing good posture, such as standing tall with your shoulders back and chin up, can instantly improve your appearance and make you appear more confident and attractive. Conclusion. While physical appearance is just one aspect of attraction, addressing unattractive physical features can help boost your confidence and overall attractiveness. By adopting good grooming habits, maintaining personal hygiene, and making positive lifestyle choices, you can enhance your appearance and make a more favorable impression on others. Remember that confidence, self-care, and authenticity are key factors in attracting others, so focus on being the best version of yourself, both inside and out. Hey friends, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Greetings!